This brand is made in Mexico by Rheem Manufacturing for Fujitsu General, and the units are sold through dealers in the USA and Canada. All of the models feature louvered panel construction to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage, as well as powder-coated paint and rust-resistant screws to keep the units looking nice for years to come. The units have a QR code on them which allows for handy access to technical information. The WA16 models are basic 16-seer units that are more of a builder-grade air conditioner, as they have a boxy look to them and their guarantee is not very good when compared to other brands. The FO16C units are basic 16-seer air conditioners and feature a composite basepan for noise control, but the units are still relatively loud in operation with a sound rating of 75.5 decibels. They have much better curb appeal and their warranty is decent but does not include unit replacement in case of compressor failure. The FO17C premium units have a 2-stage compressor and the ability to communicate with the other parts of the home's HVAC systems, but they only have a 17-seer efficiency. They are very tall compared to other brands and so will not blend into the landscaping as well as others, but they are backed by a pretty good guarantee. The FO20C units are ultimate air conditioners with a variable speed compressor and a standard compressor blanket for noise control, which results in a much quieter unit with a sound rating that is less than normal conversation. They are backed by a good warranty that includes unit replacement in the event of compressor failure within 10 years of installation.